What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be restoring this old Camillus Electricians Knife. This one, I believe, is from the 50s or 60s. I'll pop it up on screen right here. And we're also going to be, this one's missing the bail. And I just got some brass pins in the mail, so we're going to attempt to make a bail for it, a brass bail. We're also going to be making a leather holster, a little pocket slip to fit this and this, a new flashlight I was given. This is the Fenix E30R. So we're going to be making a little slip that holds both of these together. One more thing, we got some mail in, so we'll be showing that off real quick. I got a trade I'm doing. Alright, this little trade comes in from Jim Chambers. He had messaged me showing some of his work, and I really liked it. We worked out a little trade. Y'all go check him out over at Diamond Knives and Crafts. This is some awesome work right here. Check these out. Got the nice lanyard. That nice knot tied on there, that round knot. And then these little crosses he makes. Y'all make sure to go check him out. Hit him up if you want one. Got a few different colors here. I couldn't decide between one or two, so I picked a few out, and he was happy with that for the trade, and I'm happy as well. So yeah, y'all make sure to go check it out, support him. He also sent a couple other things. Got his little challenge coin. Rule number 9, always carry a knife. Ephesians 6:10-18. Put on the full armor of God. Right on, I like that. And then he sent this little wooden cross keychain as well. I appreciate that very much, Jim. I'll get your screwdriver in the mail on the way to you. That's what I traded, was one of my little custom pocket screwdrivers. I'll have this in the mail to you very soon, brother. I appreciate it very much. Let's get to that restoration. There we go, y'all. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. I think it turned out pretty good. It's definitely not perfect. I don't think any of my work is ever perfect, but it's dang sure good enough for me. I'm going to be carrying this thing all the time now. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, go back a few videos. I have a 500 subscriber giveaway announcement video. Go watch that. You'll figure out how you can enter. We're doing a big giveaway, giving away some knives and leatherwork and stuff. I appreciate y'all. Thank you very much for watching. And until next time, peace.